I'm getting a lamb sauce started to go into a veggie bake, and to kick everything off, I have half of an onion. You can make that decision for yourself based on the amount that I'm making. I thought half was fine. And a couple cloves of garlic in with some olive oil. I'm gonna let these sweat down a little bit, just over a moderate heat, and then I'm gonna go in with my ground lamb. As you can see, I only have about 1/3 of a pound from the 1 pound package that I bought. I'm gonna crumble that in, add some tomatoes and more spices, and then all of that's gonna get layered in with some veggies and pop in the oven. Now that the onion and garlic have had a bit of a head start, you can go in with your lamb. Just want to break it up, and then using your wooden spoon or spatula, you can really help coax it into little crumbles. And I'm just going to brown that all over, and then I'm going to go in with my tomatoes. You can really see it change from pink to brown. We're not going for totally fully cooked here. It is going into the oven, but you want to get some nice coloring throughout, that has that nice brown shade before you go on. Eyeball it. If you want more tomatoes, you can play around with that ratio for yourself. And then you just want to let everything cook down, season, have fun with spices as well. This is your opportunity to raid that spice cabinet of yours. But I'm keeping it simple with just some thyme and rosemary because they go so nicely with lamb. Once your sauce is cooking, that's when you can come over here and prep the vegetables for the rest of the dish. And I'm using a mix of zucchini, eggplant, and a pepper, which are gonna bake. I'm sort of thinking of these as my quote-unquote lasagna noodles. Have fun with this. Use whatever veggies you want. So now it's really cooked down. I'm declaring this done at this point. So it's nice and thick. I'm gonna start layering. And I wanna start the base of this nice little veggie bake with just a little bit of this, just so there's a little moisture. So we're going in with our lamb and tomato sauce. And then you can just start having fun layering your veggies as if they were noodles. And then for cheesy goodness, you can use whatever you want. But I've had some halloumi in my fridge, and it just goes so well with all of this. And this was only 1/3 of that lamb meat as well, so it shows how little you need. And you can use it for multiple things throughout the week. That's good. Woohoo! Once it looks melted and nice and golden brown on top, nice and baked, you know it is ready to tuck into. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna start eating this right now because I love halloumi so much, and I will see you next time.